In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see Salesforce tables. By the end, you'll know exactly how to switch any list view into a clean spreadsheet-style table so you can scan records quickly, sort columns, and make updates more efficiently. First, open Salesforce in your browser and sign in. Make sure you're in the Lightning experience, which is the modern interface most orgs use. If your screen looks different from what you expect, don't worry. Just follow along and focus on the main controls I mentioned. Next, move into the Sales app. You'll usually find it from the app launcher or along the top navigation labeled Sales. Opening the Sales app puts all the standard sales objects like leads, accounts, contacts, and opportunities right at your fingertips, which makes switching views much simpler. Now, choose the tab you want to work with. A tab represents an object in Salesforce, and each one has its own list of records. For example, pick leads if you're prospecting, accounts if you're managing companies, or opportunities if you're tracking deals. As soon as you click a tab, Salesforce opens a list view for that object. Look toward the top right area of the list view for the display selector. This is the control that lets you choose how the list is presented. Depending on your current view, you might see something like Kanban or split view. Click the display selector to open its options. From the options, choose table. The list will switch to a classic grid with rows and columns. This is perfect for scanning large volumes of data, comparing fields side by side, and spotting gaps quickly. You can click any column header to sort. Use the search box at the top of the list to find a specific record. And if inline editing is enabled in your org and for your profile, you can make quick updates directly in the cells. A few tips to make this view work even better for you. If your table doesn't show the fields you care about, look for the list view controls to adjust columns and save your preferences. Filters are also your friend. Narrow the list to just the records you need, like open leads this week or opportunities closing this month. And if you always want to see this layout first, pin your favorite list so it becomes the default the next time you open that tab. That's it. Open Salesforce, go to the Sales app, pick your object tab, use the display selector, and switch to table. You're ready to navigate your data clearly and confidently.